the next left onto Renford Way.
Really?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Park Bend Drive.
It's my first one for the day.
In a quarter mile.
That's supposed to be crossing there. What a fucking moron.
because of the sleeveless shirt. I was like, you should think about investing in some sleeves.
I gotta go riding with him. I told him I bought that fucking, yeah, genius. I told him I bought that fucking helmet just to piss off his American buddies.
What is this Jaguar doing?
Oh, he's trying to get in. And he's gonna go ahead.
But he's gonna go fucking block this?
Yeah.
Let's go around. Some old lady. In her Jaguar.
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 Yeah.
Damn.
Hey, moron. No signal or nothing wants to get in. Fucking asshat. Fucking asshat. It was as good. It was good for a while, like 2 weeks, and that was it. And it wasn't good anymore. So right back to the same shit. Sorry, dude. Trying to block me from coming because he thinks I came on the outside to fucking cut in. Jerk. Fucking cunt rag. MAGA! Make America great again, you stupid old white man. If he's not going, nobody's going. That's his attitude. You can already tell. He's got a fucking plate. 33 hero is what it means, not herd.
I bet he sucks instead.
Huh?
I bet he sucks instead.
Probably. He's ex-military or ex-law enforcement. That's what that little badge is.
It's Naval Academy, so...
Oh, he wasn't even in the military. He just went to Naval Academy. A lot of guys are doing that now. They go to Naval Academies or they go to military academies, or they're in oh, now you want to cut across where you're not supposed to cut, right? Fucktard.
Old boy.
Yeah, it's an old white man. Or they're in the whatchamacallit, what a fucking moron! Come on, man! What the fuck are you doing? Corpus fucking Christi.
In half a mile, use the left 2 lanes to take the I-37 north exit for San Antonio.
Okay, anybody can do that. Jonathan changes this and changes that. The truck is big. God, you just came all of a sudden.
He's an idiot.
He's gonna get in here.
Jesus Christ! What is it with these stupid people?
Oh, twice.
That's twice in 2 seconds. Idiotas. Idiot.
Ay, Mario, you know, I've been hanging with
I don't care. Nothing. 259 regular. 230. 35. Whoa. And he's on the fucking phone too?
Yes.
What a fucking moron.